As we grow older, there is a silent change happening inside the body that most people don't fully understand until it begins to affect their daily life. It doesn't start with pain or disease. It starts with something much more subtle. You may begin to notice that your strength is not what it used to be. Simple activities like getting up from a chair, climbing a few steps, or carrying everyday items begin to feel more difficult than before. At first, these changes seem small, almost unimportant, but over time, they begin to add up, slowly reducing your confidence, your independence, and your overall quality of life. Many people assume that this is simply a natural part of aging, something that cannot be avoided or reversed. But the truth is, what you are experiencing is not just aging. It is a process known as muscle loss, and more importantly, it is something that can be managed, slowed down, and in many cases, significantly improved. The body begins to lose muscle mass at a steady rate. This condition, often referred to in medical science as age-related muscle decline, becomes more noticeable after 60. Muscles are not just responsible for movement. They are deeply connected to how your body functions as a whole. They help regulate metabolism, maintain posture, support joints, and even influence balance and coordination. When muscle mass decreases, the body becomes less efficient. Movements require more effort, energy levels begin to drop, and the risk of falls or injuries increases. This is why muscle loss is not just a cosmetic issue. It is a functional issue that affects every aspect of daily living. But what makes this situation more concerning is that many people are unintentionally accelerating this process through their daily habits, especially through their diet. One of the most important factors in maintaining muscle mass is protein. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. Every time your body repairs or rebuilds muscle, it uses protein to do so. However, as we age, the body becomes less efficient at using protein. This means that older adults actually need more protein than they did when they were younger, not less. Unfortunately, many seniors reduce their protein intake over time, either due to changes in appetite, dietary habits, or misconceptions about what constitutes a healthy diet. As a result, the body does not receive enough of the essential building blocks it needs to maintain muscle, leading to gradual weakness and loss of strength. But protein alone is not the complete solution. The body also requires a variety of vitamins and minerals to properly process and utilize protein. This is where fruits and vegetables play a critical role. They provide essential nutrients that support digestion, improve absorption, and enhance the body's ability to use protein effectively. For example, certain vegetables contain compounds that improve blood flow, allowing nutrients to reach muscle tissues more efficiently. Others provide antioxidants that protect muscle cells from damage. When these foods are included as part of a balanced diet, they create an environment within the body that supports strength, recovery, and overall vitality. Another key factor that contributes to muscle loss is inactivity. As people begin to feel weaker, they often reduce their level of physical activity. While this may seem like a natural response, it can actually make the problem worse. Muscles need to be used in order to be maintained. When they are not used regularly, the body begins to break them down more rapidly. This creates a cycle where weakness leads to less activity, which leads to even more weakness. Breaking this cycle requires a combination of proper nutrition and gentle movement. Even simple activities such as walking, stretching, or light resistance exercises can signal the body to preserve and rebuild muscle tissue. In addition to protein and activity, energy levels play a crucial role in maintaining strength. As the body ages, it becomes less efficient at converting food into usable energy. This can lead to feelings of fatigue, even when you've eaten enough. To address this, it is important to include foods that provide steady, long-lasting energy. Complex carbohydrates, found in certain whole foods, are particularly beneficial because they are digested slowly and provide a consistent source of energy throughout the day. This helps prevent sudden drops in energy and allows the body to function more effectively. Hydration is another factor that is often overlooked but has a significant impact on strength and muscle function. Water is essential for nearly every process in the body, including nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and waste removal. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, weakness, and reduced physical performance. As we age, the sense of thirst becomes less reliable, which means that many seniors do not drink enough water. Making a conscious effort to stay hydrated can improve energy levels, support muscle function, and enhance overall well-being. Sleep and recovery are equally important components of maintaining strength. During sleep, the body undergoes processes that are essential for repairing tissues and rebuilding muscle. Poor sleep quality can interfere with these processes, leading to increased fatigue and slower recovery. Many older adults experience changes in sleep patterns, which can further impact their energy levels and physical performance. Establishing a consistent sleep routine and creating a restful environment can support better recovery and contribute to improved strength over time. Another important aspect to consider is the role of inflammation in muscle loss. Chronic inflammation is a low-level process that occurs in the body over time and can contribute to the breakdown of muscle tissue. It is influenced by various factors, including diet, stress, and lifestyle. Certain foods can either increase or decrease inflammation. By choosing foods that support the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes, it is possible to reduce this effect and protect muscle tissue. This is another reason why a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is so important. One of the most common mistakes people make when trying to improve their strength is relying too heavily on supplements instead of focusing on whole foods. While supplements can be helpful in certain situations, they should not replace a balanced diet. Whole foods provide a complex combination of nutrients that work together in ways that supplements cannot fully replicate. They also contain fiber and other compounds that support digestion and overall health. By focusing on real food, you provide your body with a more complete and effective source of nutrition. To understand that rebuilding strength takes time, especially in older adults. The body does not change overnight, and progress may be gradual. However, consistency is key. Small changes, when applied consistently, can lead to significant improvements over time. Adding more protein to your meals, including a variety of fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, and maintaining a regular level of activity can all contribute to better strength and energy. Perhaps the most encouraging aspect of this process is that it is never too late to start. The body retains its ability to adapt and improve, even in later years. While the rate of progress may be slower compared to younger individuals, the potential for improvement is still very real. By taking a proactive approach and making informed choices, it is possible to regain strength, improve mobility, and enhance overall quality of life. Many people believe that aging means giving up control over their physical abilities. But this is not the case. While certain changes are inevitable, many aspects of health and strength can be influenced by daily habits. The foods you eat, the way you move, the amount of rest you get, and the care you provide to your body all play a role in determining how you feel and function. By making small, consistent changes, you can create a positive cycle where improved nutrition and activity lead to better strength, which in turn encourages more activity and further improvement. The journey toward better strength does not require perfection. It requires awareness and a willingness to take action. Starting with simple steps, such as adjusting your diet, increasing your water intake, or incorporating light physical activity into your routine, can set the foundation for long-term improvement. Over time, these habits become part of your lifestyle, supporting your body in ways that allow you to maintain independence and enjoy a higher quality of life. Your body is capable of more than you may think. Even after 60, it has the ability to adapt, respond, and improve. By understanding the factors that contribute to muscle loss and taking steps to address them, you can regain a sense of strength and confidence. This is not about turning back the clock. It is about making the most of where you are and giving your body the support it needs to function at its best. At this point, it becomes clear that regaining strength after the age of 60 is not dependent on a single factor. It is the result of multiple elements working together in a consistent and balanced way. Nutrition, activity, hydration, rest, and mindset all play interconnected roles in how the body responds over time. However, for many people, the question still remains: what should I actually eat on a daily basis to support this process in a simple and practical way? The answer does not require complicated plans or restrictive diets. It begins with understanding a few key principles and applying them consistently. A balanced day of eating should include a combination of protein, natural carbohydrates, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. In the morning, the body needs gentle activation. After a long period of rest during sleep, it benefits from a light but nourishing start. A simple meal that includes easily digestible protein, along with a natural source of energy, can help wake up the metabolism and provide stability for the hours ahead. This could be something that feels light but satisfying, allowing the body to begin the day without feeling heavy or sluggish. The goal is not to overload the system, but to provide it with the right signals to start functioning efficiently. As the day progresses, the body becomes more active and requires a more substantial intake of nutrients. Midday meals are an opportunity to provide a balanced combination of all essential components. Protein supports muscle repair and maintenance. Vegetables provide vitamins and minerals, and carbohydrates supply energy for continued activity. When these elements are combined thoughtfully, they create meals that sustain energy and support strength without causing fatigue. The key is balance, not excess. Eating slowly and allowing the body time to process the meal also improves digestion and nutrient absorption. In the evening, the body begins to prepare for rest and recovery. Meals during this time should be lighter and easier to digest. Heavy or overly rich foods can interfere with sleep and slow down the body's natural repair processes. Instead, focusing on simple, nutrient-rich options allows the body to transition smoothly into recovery mode. This supports better sleep quality and enhances the body's ability to rebuild and restore muscle tissue overnight. The consistency of this routine, repeated day after day, creates a rhythm that the body can rely on, improving both energy levels and overall performance. Alongside this structure, there are certain foods that stand out for their ability to support strength in older adults. Foods that provide high-quality protein, essential minerals, and natural energy should form the foundation of the diet. Including a variety of these foods ensures that the body receives a wide spectrum of nutrients that work together to support muscle health. Diversity is important because no single food contains everything the body needs. By combining different types of foods, you create a more complete and effective approach to nutrition. It is also helpful to think of food not just as fuel, but as information for the body. Every meal sends signals that influence how the body functions. When the body receives the right signals consistently, it adapts in positive ways. Muscles become more responsive, energy production becomes more efficient, and recovery processes improve. These changes lead to noticeable improvements in strength, mobility, and overall well-being. This perspective shifts the focus from restriction to support, encouraging choices that nourish rather than limit. To better understand how these changes can impact real life, consider the example of an individual who begins to notice a gradual decline in strength after 60. At first, the changes are subtle. Tasks take a little longer, and energy levels fluctuate throughout the day. Over time, confidence begins to decrease, and activity levels drop. This creates a cycle where less movement leads to further muscle loss, which in turn leads to even less activity. Breaking this cycle requires a shift in approach. By introducing balanced meals, increasing protein intake, staying hydrated, and incorporating light activity, the body begins to respond. Energy levels stabilize, movements become easier, and confidence starts to return. But they build gradually, creating momentum that leads to lasting improvement. What makes this process powerful is its accessibility. It does not require specialized equipment, expensive programs, or drastic lifestyle changes. It begins with simple, intentional choices that can be made every day. Choosing to include nutrient-rich foods, paying attention to hydration, maintaining a consistent routine, and staying gently active are all steps that are within reach for most people. When these steps are combined, they create a comprehensive approach that supports strength and vitality. Another important aspect of this journey is patience. The body needs time to adapt to new habits and rebuild what has been lost. Progress may be slow at first, and it is important not to become discouraged. Each positive choice contributes to the overall process, even if the results are not immediately visible. Over time, these choices accumulate, leading to meaningful improvements. Recognizing and appreciating small changes, such as increased energy or improved mobility, can help maintain motivation and reinforce the value of consistent effort. It is also valuable to remain flexible and responsive to the body's needs. What works at one stage may need to be adjusted as the body changes. Paying attention to how the body feels and making small adjustments to diet, activity, or rest can help maintain progress and prevent setbacks. This adaptive approach ensures that the body continues to receive the support it needs, even as circumstances change. Social support and connection can also play a role in maintaining these habits. Sharing meals with others, discussing progress, or simply having encouragement can make it easier to stay consistent. When healthy habits become part of a shared experience, they are more likely to be sustained over time. This adds an additional layer of support that goes beyond physical changes, contributing to overall well-being. As this journey continues, the benefits extend beyond physical strength. Improved nutrition and activity levels also support mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall quality of life. The body and mind are closely connected, and improvements in one area often lead to improvements in the other. Feeling stronger physically can increase confidence, which in turn encourages greater engagement with daily activities and social interactions. This creates a positive cycle that enhances multiple aspects of life. Ultimately, the goal is not to return to a previous state, but to create a new level of strength and stability that supports current needs and goals. Aging does not have to mean decline. With the right approach, it can be a stage of life where strength is maintained, independence is preserved, and quality of life is enhanced. The body may change over time, but its ability to respond to care and support remains. The most important step is to begin and to continue. Consistency, patience, and awareness are the foundations of this process. By focusing on what can be done each day rather than what cannot, it becomes possible to create lasting change. Strength after 60 is not only achievable, it is sustainable when supported by the right habits and mindset. As you move forward, remember that every small step matters. Each choice you make contributes to the overall direction of your health. By choosing to support your body with proper nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a balanced routine, you are investing in your future strength and independence. The journey may take time, but the results are worth the effort. Your body has the ability to adapt, improve, and thrive, no matter your age. And that is the message that often gets overlooked. Strength is not something that disappears with age. It is something that needs to be supported, maintained, and nurtured. When you provide your body with what it needs, it responds. It may not happen instantly, but it happens consistently. Over time, that consistency leads to transformation. So instead of accepting weakness as an unavoidable outcome, consider it a signal that your body needs support, a signal that change is possible, and most importantly, a signal that it is never too late to take action. By making informed choices and staying committed to the process, you can regain strength, improve your energy, and continue to live an active and fulfilling life.